Hello everybody, this video will show you how to install the latest NovaStar product, which is H9. There are a lot of details, so please pay attention and follow me.
After opening the cabinet, we can see the base accessories. Packing list, Ethernet cable, power cable, and ground cable.
Today we will follow this hardware context to show you the installation of this H9 product.
The front panel is simple and clear with a high-tech design. This is the back panel of the original H9 case. It consists of 21 slots. There is an uncovered slot in input and output parts. This is the place for controlling daughter parts. This is the place of power supply. The 21 slots can be divided into input and output parts. We also have a preview card slot. 4 DVI inputs daughter card. During installation, the daughter card should be inserted into the rail of slot. Insert the daughter card. Tighten the screws. To install the second daughter card, remove the cover. The screw has a spring design to make it easier to remove the cover. Now remove all covers to facilitate the installation of rest daughter cards. Now insert the rest DVI daughter cards. Full HDMI input daughter card. Insert the HDMI daughter cards in the slots. One HDMI 2.0 and one DP 1.2 input daughter cards. Please still remember to insert daughter card into the rail of slot. Two Ethernet IP inputs card. Insert the daughter card. Tighten the screws. At this point, all input daughter cards have been installed. Now let's install the output daughter card. 16 Ethernet outputs and 2 fiber optic output daughter card. One output daughter card will occupy 2 slots. Please use the rail on the left side of the video during installation. Insert the daughter card. Tighten the screws. Now insert the rest output daughter cards. Two Ethernet outputs and one HDMI 1.3 preview daughter card. Same, please be careful about the rail. Insert the daughter card. Tighten the screws. At this point, all output daughter cards have been installed. H9 comes with one power supply. Additional installation is required if backup power is required. Remove the cover and insert the power supply directly. Installation of H9 is finished. It's easy, convenient, and fast.